Are you ready? Okay, let's take a listen. And listen for the tempo, listen for dynamics, okay, and for the mood, okay, because we need to be able to play it. Here we go. All right, so what did you hear?
Um, I think I heard a trumpet or something. I heard the piano. It was
Yeah,
very
there
hot.
is a many different instruments, but how was the tempo? Did it play it fast or slow? How was the tempo?
Fast.
Fast because of this allegro, right? We have allegro, and allegro means from Italian word what?
Um, Fast and lively.
And
Lively.
lively. Yeah, because it's a dance. It's very energetic and powerful dance. Okay? So we're going to try to play it again. Don't forget about your notes right here on measure 11 and 12.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
So start from the beginning.
Yes, please. And then do we have to go down to D or it's something else right here in this section? Let me make it bigger. Yeah, so we have D only right here at the end of the phrase. We're not playing D, right? So we're going, how many notes we're going up? How many notes are you playing up? Look at the computer.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it's
3.
only four, right? From E to F, F to G, and A, and then we're going back. So we're going back to E, not lower than that. We don't go down to D unless accept this last, the end of the phrase. Okay, can we play again measure 9 again? Just to double check on the notes. Yes, that was good. Now let's add this. How do we call it? How do we call this sign and this sign? Do you remember?
Getting louder. Getting slower.
Yeah, do you remember the fancy words?
Um,
How do we call it?
Move quickly.
Crescendo.
Crescendo.
Crescendo, and what's the other one? Diminuendo, right? Diminuendo. Dim. So sometimes you'll see those short words, cres and dim. Crescendo and diminuendo. So we need to be able to play softer at the beginning and at the end, right? And a little bit louder going toward the center, the middle of the phrase. Okay, let's do it again, this phrase.
I can't. I did something. Okay. Um. So.
Very good. And Briella, do we let go of A, or we're gonna keep on holding it for the entire line?
Keep on holding.
Yeah. The next line. Next line is gonna be played louder or softer?
Soft.
Softer. Yeah, good job. And what do we have here on the top of the note? Right here and here.
I can't see.
Can you see it now? Did you press something on your screen?
Probably.
Yeah. Just click on Zoom. Do you see Zoom?
Yeah, I see the launch meeting and then launch meeting.
No,
So I'll
click
just
on the
launch.
bottom Zoom.
Oh, now I can see.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. So what's that sign on the top of the notes? Do you remember how we call it?
Staccato.
No, it's not staccato. If you see the dot, yes, you're right, it's staccato. But dot has this little, like a hat, right? Like
Umbrella.
an arc. So what do you remember what we need to do when we see the sign? It's okay if you don't remember the name.
You have to play it like quicker and louder.
No, it's not staccato. It's a fermata. Do you remember what fermata is?
Yes.
What? Fermata from Italian means stop. So we have to hold that note a little bit longer. So we have to stop here. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we start again. Okay? So what's again fermata means?
Stop.
Stop.
Hold
Yes.
longer.
Okay, so let's do measure 9 again. We're gonna do those two lines. Don't forget to hold your A's and don't forget to hold your fermatas.
The higher one or the okay.
We're gonna start on measure 9. Can you do it one more time? Because I couldn't hear the notes. Hold A, continue holding A. Good job. Next line. And right hand. Don't forget about your right hand. Together.
What?
Yeah, you played hands together at the end. Yes. And we have again, what's on the top of the notes in the last measure?
Fermata.
Fermata, yeah. So how many beats are you gonna hold the last notes? How many beats you holding dotted half note? How many beats we holding it?
6?
No, we playing them at the same time. So don't count right and left separately. How many beats you hold in right hand?
3.
3, yeah. And Fermata gonna make it longer. So we're gonna hold it for 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's gonna make nice ending, nice Fermata at the end, okay? All right, Briella, great job. Thank you for working so hard on this piece and getting ready to get for performance.